Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoom account security settings with SSO and MFA, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your computer and navigate to the Zoom website. Log into your Zoom account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the admin option on the left side panel. Click on Account Management under the Admin section. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Security section on the Account Settings page. Look for the Sign In with SSO option. Toggle the setting to enable Single Sign-On, also known as SSO. You will need to provide your SSO domain. Enter the domain associated with your organization's SSO. Next, navigate to the Two-Factor Authentication section. Find the option for Multi-Factor Authentication or MFA. Toggle the setting to enable MFA for added security. Decide if you want to enforce MFA for all users. Determine if specific groups within your organization should have different settings. After setting preferences, click Save at the bottom of the page. Test the SSO and MFA setup by logging out of your account. Attempt to log back in using your organizational SSO credentials. Follow the prompts for multi-factor authentication, such as a verification code or an authentication app. If the setup is successful, you will be logged in securely. Review the settings to ensure everything is properly configured. You're now ready to use Zoom with enhanced security settings through SSO and MFA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.